bag something.
Is it in your umbrella?
Maybe. That's the pool cover. The pool fence.
What the fuck was it so loud for? You're fucking with me. You did.
It's the pool alarm.
You're an asshole.
Orange one. Smell the orange one. Corey. Alright, go turn that green light on. Did you have a little nap? Go ahead, stretch, wake up.
Ah! I scared you, didn't I? It's Evan. I'm just kidding. Did I make you shit your pants?
You recorded that! Go one by one on each and every.
Hey! Ah! Yeah!
And had a big antenna.